Hi everyone. People often have this question, which bleach is right for me? Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Color, and in this video I'm going to show you which bleach you use when. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, for up to 7 levels of lift, that's most cases, and for those clients who are looking for extra protection, extra gentleness, but lift at the same time, we recommend Brilliant Blondex. The reason is it contains Bond Protect inside the bleach formula itself. It's one of the very few bleaches out there which does, which means it protects the hair and the scalp while you're bleaching. It's a fairly strong bleach, so it only requires 20 and 30 volt developer, depending on your lift level required. And because it's gentle and because of the Bond Protect, you can use it for near root applications. We don't say scalp applications, but you place the bleach near the root and you'll be fine. It produces a very white, creamy mix and in general gives very consistent, very safe lift and protection combined. If, on the other hand, you have very dark hair and you're looking for 8 levels or 9 levels of lift, you've got Asian hair, super dark resistant hair, color build up in your hair, you put in a box color. In that case, we would suggest you use our blue-based bleach, which is Brilliant Blonde. It's one of the strongest and fastest acting bleaches on the market. It produces a blue creamy mix. And this one, we tend to recommend that you stay at least 1/8 or 1/4 of an inch away from the root area because it is rather strong. It will lift and you will only need to use 20 and 30 volt developer with this bleach. These are what the two bleaches look like when mixed. This is a Brilliant Blondex. It's a very white, very creamy mix as I just described. And this is the blue-based bleach. Now, some rules about working with bleach because we get a lot of questions about this. Which developer should I use? So for gentle color cleansing and for gentle color cleansing only, use 10 volt. For color removal and up to 2 levels lift, use 20 volt. For significant lifting, which is basically 3 levels and above, use 30 volt. If you're going to have to make 2 applications in the course of your bleach application, one after the other, use 30 volt first and then 20 volt for the second application. It's not a good idea to use 2 30 volt applications. Okay. Mix ratio 1 part bleach to 2 parts developer. The important thing is a mixture should be fairly runny and moist. Otherwise it won't work well. And then some tips about sectioning and applying. Section the hair finely so you get to apply everywhere and work your way systematically around sectioning. Be super generous with the product. Don't be one of those bleachers who bleach like this. You got to really saturate their hair completely with the bleach, and then you will get that lift. And start from the back. Okay, so those are some rules. Don't forget, when you're bleaching, you need to get it up to level 9 and level 10. And we're all colorists. We all use our eyes. Be very clear what level 9, what level 10 means. I sometimes get people say, oh, I only want to be a medium blonde. Can't I just lift it up to here? And the answer is there's too much brassiness in there. You got to lift it up to level 10 and then you will get good results. Okay? Great.